Have you ever wondered how obesity might be silently shaping the course of our lives, and by extension, the future of our world? This is a question that demands attention, for the implications are far-reaching and the stakes incredibly high. Obesity, a condition characterized by excessive body fat, is a silent pandemic that has been sweeping across the globe. The World Health Organization estimates that over 2 billion adults worldwide are overweight, with over 650 million of these individuals living with obesity. In the United States alone, more than 1 in 3 adults are obese. These figures are not just statistics on a page, they represent real people and real lives significantly impacted by obesity. But what does this mean on a larger scale? Well, obesity isn't just about personal health, it's an issue that ricochets across all aspects of society. It strains healthcare systems, with medical costs for people who have obesity being significantly higher than those of normal weight. In the United States, the estimated annual medical cost of obesity was $147 billion in 2008. Furthermore, obesity can negatively impact educational outcomes and job productivity. Research indicates that children with obesity are more likely to experience bullying, leading to lower self-esteem, poorer social skills, and lower academic achievement. For adults, obesity can lead to increased absenteeism and lower productivity at work. These facts paint a grim picture, but it's important to remember that obesity is not a choice, but often a complex interplay of genetic, behavioral, and environmental factors. So what have we learned today? Obesity is a global epidemic affecting more than 2 billion adults worldwide. Its impact is not limited to personal health but extends to all facets of society, straining healthcare systems, impacting educational outcomes, and decreasing job productivity. But most importantly, it's a condition that demands compassion, understanding, and concerted action. As we move forward, it's crucial to keep these facts in mind, because only by acknowledging the reality of the situation can we begin to make a difference. This is not just about numbers and statistics, it's about real people, real lives, and the future of our world. Before you go, please take the time to like and subscribe. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Enjoy your day.